Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a haul for you guys. So I have been doing foil on my nails. I don't actually have any on my nails now. This is a foil gel, so that's kind of funny. I don't have the glue in front of me. Maybe I do. I do. Okay, so for the foil, I have been using Dollar Nail Arts glue, and this works great, but it is a like normal glue. So this is not curable, like you let it air dry. So I wanted to get one that actually is a gel that you put in the lamp. Haven't opened it, so I'm excited. All right, so I'll move on. I'll do these two first. So I was gonna buy just the glue. Well, it comes in a pack of 2, but it was like $16 and the kit was like 20, so I was like, why not get the kit? And I don't have some of these. So, I open it. Haha, logic. All right. Oh, sorry, not focusing. There we go. So I love this flower one, like holy cow. These are, oh, is this Christmas? Yes. Snowflakes. Okay, let's just pull these out, okay? Because why not? Although I'll never get these back in. I may take that back. I take that back. Yeah, okay. I take that back, sorry guys. But I think you can kind of get the gist. Look how pretty these are. This one's kind of fun too. This might be fun for fall. Yeah, I probably ruined it already. It's fine, it'll be all right. We'll test them in a minute. And then we have the solid color ones. And then there's some ombre in here, and I have another haul, which I believe is gonna go up before this, that has some of these, like ombre ones, but I figured it wouldn't hurt just to have these as well, because why not? Okay, it's fine. Look how pretty that is. Like, I just wanna, anyway, okay, so here is the actual glue. Oh, that has a smell immediately. Oh, that's why. I was like, it has a smell immediately. It's opened. You can see it leaked. Okay. Oh yeah, ooh, okay. Yikes. This one's fine. Yeah, that one's fine. And it doesn't look like it leaked like terribly too bad. I don't have my other stuff here with me. I'm not gonna use that one though. So, let's look at the directions here. Is there anything else I need on this? Apply it, cure it. So it is a 2-minute LED. I'm sorry, 2-minute UV or 60 seconds UV. Ay. Let's try that again. 2-minute UV, 60 seconds LED. And then you just put them on. So I'm gonna try it, why not? I'm taking the one that did not spill. The consistency is pretty much just like a little bit runnier than I would say a base gel would be. It's kind of in between a base gel and tack as far as consistency goes. And it has a very, very strong smell. So I'm gonna let that sit for just a second to get rid of these ridges. I don't know if you saw that. Oh, of course you didn't see that because this probably wasn't in focus. There were some ridges in there, but they are all gone now. I'm actually going to use the same foil that I used last time. That way you guys can essentially compare the two. Well, that sticks right away. That's nice. I would say that's pretty good. There's a couple little pieces over here that didn't adhere at all. And I don't know if it was just not accessible in my light. You can see where it's kind of just angled a little bit more. And I applied it. Okay. It may have just been that piece. Yeah, because this piece, you can see right at the bottom there, as soon as I stuck it to it, it took. So I think it may have just been sticky on that. So let's take a look at this bad boy. There we go. And this one isn't too pattern needed, meaning you can get away with not making this one perfect. And there's a couple spots, but again, I poked on top to get any missing spots, and it's definitely grabbing them. So you can see kind of, maybe you can't see, yeah, right there you can see like the darker spots or like the clear spots. So definitely dabbing that on helped it. So let's take it off and look at the underside like we did last time. So I would say that went pretty well. There's obviously this little, that little piece down there, but to me, I'm not gonna be putting foil on just a clear nail. So like, it would be on something, and that way you would be able, I'm not gonna probably just put foil on a clear nail, and if I am, it's probably not a solid design. But yeah, that's really cool. And in the directions it says you can layer. So you know what? There's some kind of just other ones on there. So I'm gonna layer this. Yes, it has a very, very strong smell. All right, so I cut off a piece. It might actually be too tiny, maybe not. I mean, that thing sticks right down. All right. I feel like that wasn't in frame, but it's a very, like, whatever pattern, so it's not like, what's the word I'm looking for? It's not a solid pattern, so obviously having both on here, you can see right there, it just didn't really stick well. It's almost like it didn't cure. And that's what I found with the other gel, and that's why I wanted this, but looks like that might have the same issue. But I don't know, again, if it's my light, meaning like it's just some reason this specific position isn't curing there. So I'm gonna give it a successful. This one again is open, so I have to clean it, but I would say it's pretty good. So here we go. I give this a thumbs up. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.